come to the elevator at Galerías Parking Garage. Otis, 1,000 pounds. Wow. Green light. Here's your indicator up there. Here it is. Three. Otis, 2,000 pounds. Here we're at 3. Let's go down to PB. Should be outside. Oh, cancel my call. Your fixtures. Here at PB. That's it.
Alright, this is the elevator here at the Galerías Parking Garage in Monterrey, Mexico. Now, I'm sure you all remember this elevator from 2015, and this was an Otis 2000, and this is now a Gen2. So 10 years later, we get to ride. Guess what the brand is? That's right, it's an Otis Gen2. So here we go. We got this used to be an Otis 2000, but years later it got replaced with this, which we're about to see. So this is located right next to Liverpool. So here it is, and yeah, so it looks different now. So yeah, and look at the mirror. Hey, we're gonna go up to 4. It's an Otis Gen2 from 2017. Or here at 4. All right, this goes up to the top. All right, now the PB. The panel's a little bit messed up, so we're gonna look through here. Somebody's getting on. This thing's gonna be a little bit busy because there's a lot of people out here today. Nobody's getting on it. And then we have the bells right there. Wow. I still remember that. All right, here at PB. It's strange that there's a 1 button right here. So, yeah, that's weird. We'll go for another ride. There's your MP out there. Yeah, the strange that, watch that. Oh, it's 1, and it's because when we got down to PB, it suddenly changed to PB, but lo sube. Sí. That one, yeah. Nah. So this elevator goes up to the jet bridge to Liverpool. So out there's the jet bridge, which you didn't see well. And so yeah, but it's great that this elevator is renovated. So because many years ago this elevator was a 2000. I'd say Otis 2,000 pounds, but here at 4. And let's get a quick view out here. So shall we? There it goes, and pause to read that. All right, this up here is the top of the garage, and if you look way down there, there's the mountain in Cerro de la Silla. It's beautiful, and there's the Mexican flag. It's a really beautiful, it's a really cloudy day here in Monterrey, and there's Chipinque. And right there's Cinepolis, where we filmed a weird Otis elevator with the Otis Series 1 chime. And right here's there's Liverpool, and right there's your jet bridge to Liverpool. So yeah. So it's there's music up here, so I gotta avoid it. There's the RMP. Anyways, let's head back down now. So it left. Here's where you pay your parking. So yeah, this garage now has many other units. There are the other elevators where we filmed back in 2023. I think that they're also Gen 2. So, but yeah, this is the front elevator that we filmed here a long time ago. And, so yeah, I'm sure you all remember those elevators that we filmed back then. All right, well, here it is. Prueba. Estamos en 4.
Vamos en 4.
Ah, estamos bajando apenas.
No, joven.
¿Va a bajar?
No voy a bajar.
No, estoy bajando.
Ah,
Pero, no.
entonces tú vas a bajar primero.
Sí.
¿Por qué pone 4?
Ya está el 4.
No está.
Aquí está el 4. Porque él va a bajar primero.
Es que ando regresando elevadores, por eso. All right. All right. I have to point it out because there's 2 people on, and here's where you pay your parking. So, all right. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.